I feel really good about it. The ladies went out there, give their best, and I'm glad that we are second overall. So you know we're coming in the finals to bring it the A game.
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank God for carrying us all around the track safely. I think we had a very good heat. Ladies had a wonderful run. And again, I just want to thank God for bringing us out here. And shout out to Birmingham for hosting a wonderful championships. You guys are doing it.
I mean, we feel great. My teammates and I did come together and we did our best, and that's all matters. Well, we just came out here to ensure that the team would qualify for the finals. When the finals come, we make Jamaica proud.